Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix age restriction here on X. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now first up, go ahead and open up your Play Store or App Store. Okay, let's just go ahead and find X if it needs an update. Okay, just type in X and tap on Find. If there is an update button right here, just gotta tap on it, wait for the update to finish. Okay, once that's done, go ahead and open it up and check if it helps. Now, if that still will work, go ahead over to the top left, tap on your profile. Okay, now go ahead and tap on profile once more. Now in here, just tap on edit profile. Okay, tap on it. Now in here, as you can see, we have date of birth. Okay, just tap on it. Now tap on your birth date right here. Just tap on it and tap on edit. Okay, and enter an age that is 18 or above. Okay. Once that's done, just hit on continue right here and check if it helps. Now, if that still won't work, just go back. Tap on your profile once more. Now go ahead and scroll down. Tap on settings and support. Tap on settings and privacy. And in here, tap on your account. Tap, and here, just tap on account information. Tap on it. Now, as you can see here, we have the country. All you have to do is just change your region right here. Okay, just go ahead and type in right here at the top. United States. All right, tap on United States and then just hit on change. Okay, and after that, you should be good to go. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.